So I just got done from going to a party, Halloween party, and sorry, I had to get a lift home because I didn't drive there, and I thought after I ordered it, like, oh my god, what am I wearing? And then I wanted to, after I got home, I wanted to go to Walgreens, and I thought it was a good idea until I got in the parking lot of Walgreens, and I thought, I've got the sparkly bow, the belt, even these. No one really said anything. They were all looking though. Anyway, I don't know if anyone took a picture. Like, what the heck is this girl doing? I'm supposed to see Barbie, by the way, if you can't figure it out.